Hey guys, it's Marcello back with a video. Do you want to take a look at the most custom looking Toyota Corolla to ever hit the Corolla lineup ever? Well, I got one right behind me. It's called the Apex Edition, and we're going to dive in and see what it's all about. Okay, now if you didn't know any better, you would think that this Corolla was something that your neighbor's kid brought home and brought to his local tuner shop and spent a whole lot of money on modifying it and making it look custom. But no, this is exactly how the vehicle comes right from the factory. Let's check it out. Guys, I know you probably saw this in the video clip just earlier, but take a look at the cool two-tone gray interior. I really love it, and it really stands out from all the other Corolla models. So you'll see you have like a dark charcoal, almost like a black trim towards the bottom, and then here it's almost like a very, very light gray, almost a white door panel, and it carries throughout the entire dash of the vehicle. You know what, it kind of reminds me of something similar to a Prius interior. I know there's a few Prius models that come with this very light finish on the interior. I really think it's cool and unique to have something like that on a Corolla. Here's the center console. Not too complicated, not too many buttons. Everything's nice and easy to get to. You got your cup holders, you've got the hold button, the emergency brake button, and of course, everything else just flows really nicely to your touchscreen. Now guys, let's talk about pricing for just a second here. This lovely Apex Edition Corolla behind me, priced at $27,900, is $1,050 cheaper, less expensive than the Corolla XSE. Now when comparing sticker price from the Corolla SE Upgrade and the Apex Corolla behind me here, the SE Upgrade Corolla is $1,330 cheaper or less expensive. But guys, for $1,330, there is a heck of a lot of value inside this vehicle. Okay, now granted, the Apex Corolla is not for everyone, and that is why it is a limited production. It only comes in the cement gray for starters, which is just fantastic. You know what, the cement gray comes in a couple of different vehicles now from Toyota. It comes in the Tacomas, the Tundras. We're starting to see it more and more, but in this particular vehicle, you can really tell the pearl or the metallic finish that it has. If you can see that right off the reflection, what a beautiful color, guys. Now I feel like if Toyota made the Apex Corolla come in a couple of different colors, that this vehicle would sell a little bit more than it currently is. But again, I don't think that's Toyota's game plan for this vehicle. It is a limited production model, and it's very, very nice. I'm going to show you guys exactly the features you get when you go with the Apex Corolla at $27,990. We'll start off with the Apex Edition body kit, which is comprised mostly of like a skirt package throughout the bottom of the vehicle. You'll see it right there starting. It's got like a rear diffuser kind of style rear bumper at the bottom with like a honeycomb finish to it. Really cool, really nice. And then you've got more of a skirt package going pretty much throughout the whole perimeter of the vehicle, up along the sides, and it carries through very nicely on the front. Now here's something that I didn't really realize when I first took a quick glance at the Apex Corolla. It's got like a really nice copper bronze finish that accents pretty much the whole body kit towards the front of the vehicle, also throughout the sides of the vehicle, and I believe it carries through to the back, but let's take a look. No, it doesn't. The back is, oh, actually, yeah, it does. Right there, hidden. Really nice, guys. You wouldn't think that this color combination really goes well, but I'm telling you, in person, it really blends nicely. This is also part of the body kit, guys. Really nice low profile rear spoiler, painted in black. Again, this vehicle is all about appearance and performance, which I'll touch on. So guys, the vehicle comes with Sport Tune Performance coilovers, front and rear stabilizer bar, and it also comes with a Sport Tune exhaust, which sounds really nice. Oh yeah, definitely does not sound like your average Corolla. The Apex Corolla also comes with a power moonroof and a wireless phone charger. So I'll tell you the coolest thing about this Apex Edition Corolla behind us, and what makes it so unique and so different, and actually what makes it stand out from the rest, is these fantastic flow-formed alloy wheels. Flow-formed, it's got to do with the way that they're actually made. Some guys might tell you that it just means it's better for aerodynamics, flow-formed, airflow. No, that's not exactly what it is. So there's different ways to make wheels for vehicles. You can have a forged wheel, you can have a regular alloy wheel, and then you have what's on this lovely Apex Edition Corolla. It's a flow-formed wheel. And what that means is it's made a certain way. It's made by applying pressure to the inner barrel of the wheel while it's still spinning after the casting is done. Guys, if you're on the fence about buying the Apex Edition Corolla, I totally understand. It's not for everyone. It needs to appeal to you, but take it for a test drive. This Corolla behind us, the Apex, it drives totally different, does not drive or handle like any other Corolla that I've ever driven. This thing really does feel modified, and you really feel that when you're going over a bump or when you're taking a sharp turn. It just handles fantastic. Those front and rear stabilizer bars really do wonders. I mean, obviously the coilovers have something to do with it too, but guys, this thing handles like a true sports enthusiast vehicle, and it looks like one too. Honestly, guys, this is really one Corolla that you can't get bored of driving every day. Really fun to drive, looks fantastic. It's not too loud and flashy, so you can't really get tired of it quickly. Toyota just did a really good job on this vehicle. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Apex Corolla. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for constant cool videos of your favorite Toyotas.